Fusion 360 versus SolidWorks. Let's get started. So let's start with Fusion 360. It is an Autodesk all-in-one 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE tool designed for product design, mechanical engineering, and collaboration. It also has a lot of features, but SolidWorks is by default. The Solid system is a powerful parametric modeling software used in engineering, manufacturing, and mechanical design, especially in large-scale industries. So let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with Fusion's 360. So it offers cloud-based access, projects anywhere. They also have an all-in-one CAD, CAM, and CIA simulation rendering. It's also great for startups, hobbyists, and prototyping. It has a lower cost and free for students, and it has a native collaboration tools plus the version control. Now, for SolidWorks, it offers industry standard in professional mechanical design. It also has extremely accurate parametric modeling. They also have robust simulation, sheet metal, and BOM tools, and it's better for complex assemblies and manufacturing. And they also have a huge plugin ecosystem and support in industry. So, in conclusion, Fusion 360 is perfect for flexibility, affordability, and cloud-based workflows. And SolidWorks is better for large-scale manufacturing, advanced simulation, and industry-level engineering.